So we clicked on this, which we almost didn't need to. You just came right in here, and what we're going to do is you're going to come to this green plus sign, which I forgot to say, and you're going to click on it. Okay. You're going to write one of your response there to my questions. All right. And then you can actually click on the camera. And then depending on what you are using, okay, so you could use the camera and take a picture of yourself, okay, if you have a camcorder and or a laptop, computer, however you use to take pictures. If you're gonna took a picture of yourself, you're gonna upload, then you're literally going to come here and like that's searching image. There's like 13 things you could do. Okay, you're gonna do an upload and you're gonna upload your picture. Okay, your picture goes with your responses to those two questions. Okay, then when it's there, you can move it around. Okay, and then once everybody has posted by a Wednesday, then on Thursday and Friday, you'll come in and do a response to it by adding a comment for the responses. Okay, and one response is fine, but you got to pick two different classmates. Okay, and that's it for this one. And then once it's all done, you're good. It will save on there, and we won't have to worry about it. Okay, now, all right, have fun.